Hello, everyone. Today, I will show you how recruiters scan LinkedIn profiles in seconds in 2026. So many people wonder why they don't get noticed. And the secret is recruiters spend very little time on each profile, maybe just a few seconds. First, the headline is super important. Recruiters immediately look at the title, keywords, and role you're applying for. If your headline clearly shows your job title and skills, they can decide quickly if you're relevant. Next, they glance at your profile photo. Ah, a professional, clear photo creates instant trust. No blurry or casual selfies here. Then they scan the current position, company, and experience. Recruiters look for specific skills and achievements. Bullet points with measurable results like increased sales by 20%, catch attention fast. Skills and endorsements are next. Recruiters filter by top skills, so having your key skills listed and endorsed makes a difference. Um, Recommendations also matter. They quickly validate your experience. Finally, they check activity and profile completeness. An updated profile with projects, posts, and certifications signals you're active and engaged. All these small signals together determine whether they shortlist you or move on. So, yeah, optimize your headline, photo, experience, skills, and activity for maximum impact. A few seconds is all it takes for recruiters to decide. So, first impressions really matter. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you have any questions.